Hi, welcome back to DIY Chip Daddy. Today I'm going to work on a project which is I'm going to tap the power source from the cigarette lighter and put it at the back. Basically, the easiest way most people do is like this: have a wire, but it's pretty tacky and you may hit the wire and disconnect the line and didn't look that good, even though this Toyota is pretty good. It has another one right there, so I can pull the line this way and tap from here, but still you will see a line right between the two seats. So my project is I'm going to open this panel and use something like this to draw the power and put this in there and hide it behind the console, so the line will come from the front, basically come out from right there to the top right here, so nothing can interfere or blocking or hitting that line. So please stay tuned. And also, if your Toyota have a square bracket, you can make it a little bit more fancy by tapping using this module like this. And but you need to have an outlet square on other Toyota, but not on this one. This one is 2007 Toyota Corolla, so I'm going to don't use this, but just using this and hide this at the back. So this project should be pretty simple. I remember I can pry this up, because last time I changed the light bulb on this console, so nothing more than pry this up, and the connection to the cigarette lighter will be right there, and all I need to find out the positive and negative and get the source from that, and from that point on I route this at the back, and this USB cable get from the front and to the charger. This or a butter knife and just pry this up. It should be just like that. After that, just use the hand, move up a little bit. Just like that. Let me remove this. And as you can see, all I need to find out positive and negative from this wire. So when the car turn on, this charger will be turned on and start charging the phone. Let me disconnect this. Nothing more than pull it out. Okay, and then just remove this. And so let me get a meter and find out which one is percent negative. So for this module, the one in the middle is the positive, the one on the side is negative, so I don't have to worry about this. Red is the positive, so I just need to find out right here which one is which. And after I decide which one, I'm going to just use a spike to connect and draw the power from here. and route the whole thing at the back, and the wire or the USB cable will come from the back to the front, so nothing will hit the cable. Okay, if you have a meter, you can use the meter to find out how it works. And basically you set to 20 volts and put in the cable like this, and I have a battery. Plus is on the left side, negative on the right side. So what I'm going to do is let me see whether I can get this done. So I'm going to put the positive on the left and the negative on the right, so you can see it's 12.47, and somehow I need to find which one is the positive cable. So if I reverse this, and you will see a negative, so that's how I determine which cable would be a positive when I go back inside the car. So I need to be the same, which is don't have the negative sign. I hope this makes sense. So this is the cable is reversed. That's why I have a negative. So now I put it the right order, positive on that, then I don't have the negative sign. So I'm going to check the wire inside to make sure I connect to the right cable, the white wire. Normally they mark red or have a line on it, so let me go back and check. But if not, I'm going to use the meter to determine. Okay, the one positive is the one on the left, which is the gray one, not the white one. So now I'm going to reverse my point and see whether I got a negative. Okay, please stay tuned. So this is correct, so the gray one is the positive. So right now I have negative because I reverse it. So I'm going to tap from the gray, which is the positive, and connect my cigarette lighter red to the gray. So I'm going to use a spike wire terminal kit, and for this particular application, the cigarette lighter, I'm going to use the blue one. So basically they have a razor blade to cut into the wire and draw or bridge the current from the original line to the new line and draw power from that. And after that, I'm going to stuck everything in there, and the wire will come from the back and up to here, so it won't be that tacky. It won't be that tacky drawing power from the cigarette lighter right here and have the cable all over here. So everything will come from the back. That's it. So basically what you see right here is this piece will cut into the wire by touching the wire and draw all the current to the look like a plier, and after that I will close this to lock it, and this piece will be inserted here. So this is like a bridge to draw the current from the valley, which is like a razor blade, cut into it, dip into it, and then transfer current to the plier like grip thing, and then the grip thing will lock into the connection like this. and this is on one wire and the same on the other one. And after that I will make sure my red wire is connected to the red terminal. So basically you can help it by open up the rubber a little bit so you can insert in the middle, and then after that you close it, and that's done. So right now I'm going to cut this and replace by this connector. And after that you clamp this together so you squeeze in, so make sure you won't get loose. Okay, this is the final product. After you spike it, you hook it up. Make sure the red connected to the gray and not the white. The white is the negative. And after that you do a test by turning the key to accelerate, or the first position. I forget to mention, before you test this cable, you need to turn to the first one, which is accelerate. So you need to draw some power to the cigarette lighter when you try to test for the current. Otherwise you will have nothing. So right now, so far so good. When I turn to accelerate, which is the first level, I have power. Now I turn it off and pull the key out, so you won't have power. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stuck all this back in that and wire the wire from the back and come back out, so it looks better that way. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if I have to change anything, and if the fuse bolt out on this wire, I just pop the cover like this. And I'm going to hide this behind the console. Okay, now just remember to hook back up to the connector the way it was and push it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just push it back. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.